Welcome everyone. We are launching our 11th AI Building Application Challenge on April 18th. So if you are looking at this video, please make sure that you join the day zero wherein you start ideating what do you want to build. So this time is going to be very exciting. We have launched a lot of new initiatives including a AI bot that is going to help you along your journey. So this is the same AI building application challenge that we have been doing for the last 2.5 years. This is the 11th edition. We are supported by JetBrains as well as Google, wherein we have scholarships of 6,900 from DDS as well as licenses, swags and credits from these amazing partners that are supporting us. So if you are new to this, make sure you go through all the details, register and complete your day zero. All this information is here. If you will go to this section, there are two paths this time, kept it very simple. The coding path, wherein you go and understand who have been doing a little bit of Python, how they can connect everything together. And no code, low code path, there are a list of tools like NA10, Flowwise, any other AI tools that you are comfortable with. Start building it and start using it for your path. So the ideation here, there is a program, there is a data, there is a form that you start filling in, the ideation form, what project you want to build. And we have given some example projects that we have done earlier, but you can pick up anything that you like and at least ideate, do some research about that. What is the data that you are going to use, what is the tech stack that you are going to use, and also be active on LinkedIn, be active on our feed channel, and that is the only way you will be getting into it. So I'm looking forward for all of you to welcome you in the day zero, wherein we go a little bit more details about what are the things that you need to keep in the mind. Also we'll talk about the assistant that is there with all of you here. So this is an awesome thing that you can see here. If you have any questions, we have created this assistant here which we'll talk more about in the day zero. So thank you each and every one of you. There is no looking back. There is free to join this challenge for a limited time. So if you are looking at this video, make sure you join the challenge. Day zero is started. We have a support material that is complimentary for some time for all of you to get accustomed to this and take the challenge to the next